Okay guys, now we'll go to the web security challenges. I hope I can do those fast enough because it's taking me too long. We have 5 challenges, and first one is find your first entry based on the log provided. You will need to break into the website. Enjoy log reading. Okay, this is an HTTP log file, and we need to, of course, download it. Let's copy it here. Access log. Let's see what is the file basically. Okay, lots of requests. This is HTTP access, or actually is it error file, I guess. So let's open that again. From the first glance we see lots of 200 responses here, and if someone is attacking, I see someone is using SQL injection here. So, and we also see lots of 404, and we see different pages, see different host name. So we know that we have lots of 200s and lots of 404s. Let's filter those out and see what is left. Maybe there's something interesting there. Let's cat that and grep v 200 and grep v 404. Okay, now the first grep is filtering out the lines that contains 200, and the second is filtering out the lines that contains 404. Oh, so now we have some 302s. This doesn't have any login attempt, but this one does have, and it's for that website. Okay, now let's try to go to that website. Let's just open Perp Suite real quick. Hope that one does open. Let's open new window. Let's do that. Let's go to that. So it's basically, as you can see, it's basically a login attempt using user, admin, and password, semicolon, or 1 equal 1 comment hash. So let's try that and hope for the best. Ooh, we're logged in. So let's open source, because the same flag is here and apparently there's nothing here. So go source. Yeah, that's the first flag for web security. Now let's just echo to flags, and let's just say web security. This is just for, I'm just taking notes for organization. Flag 1. SQL injection is worse, of course. Now, we need to go to the next challenge. If you have a clue here. Okay. The next challenge is news inclusion. Exploit another bug in the PHP implementation to gain the flag. News inclusion. Inclusion is probably famous for local file inclusions, remote file inclusions. So we're probably looking into an LFI vulnerability, local file inclusion vulnerability. So let's see what we can find on that website. Let's go to admin. Admin gets me here. Let's just walk around, let's try robot txt, and we get this allowed path here, so we go for it. Okay, now this is just showing, what is this showing? This is showing news. Yeah, so we just go here and we find this news page, and in the parameter link internet.html. so if this is an LFI, local file inclusion, so maybe we can just path traverse this. So let's throw a bunch of going backs here. Let's do a lot. It really doesn't matter if you do more, but it really matters if you do less. So let's say the famous file that we always try, etc password. Ooh, yeah, we got the etc password. Let's view the source to be more organized, and we see here there's flag 2, local file inclusion, and there's base 64, I guess. Yes, it's saying here base 64. Okay, let's decode this. Equals this to base 64d. Yep, this is the next flag. So echo flag 2 flags, and we also got a clue for flag 3, admin ping test. Good luck. Let's see what is actually the challenge here. The challenge was 3 as execute me. It's probably command execution. Find flag by exploiting one of the top OS on the unhackable system. Of course, the system is unhackable, as we can all notice. So let's go to that file, to that location, and see what is it. Oh, okay, it's test this new program. It's a Bing web interface for the Bing command. So we can just enter like the local host, and we get a Bing here. So the very basic one is to just inject. Let's just normally enter and then just inject. Let's do who am I? Wow, we got response here, www data. So we have code execution. We can just do that, and ls. Wow, we have full command execution. So this program is basically like this. Just clear that. This command is basically it's taking the values that we pass to and into ping 127.0.0.0.1. This is the normal command, what will happen. But now if I did this ls, now I get the files here. So what we're doing here is that we are injecting on the server, so those are the files on the server. Now we need to execute an actual shell. Let's go to pentest monkey reverse shell. Let me just pause a little bit here.